The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Larimer County until 5:15 p.m. At 3:09 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, gulches, roads, and poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Masonville. This includes the following streams and drainages: Big Thompson River, Redstone Creek, Cedar Creek, Dry Creek, Indian Creek, and Buckhorn Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Heavy rainfall will cause flash flooding of small creeks, streams, and ditches in the affected part of the Cameron Peak burn area. Rock slides or debris flows can also be expected across rural roads. This is NOAA All Hazards.